After garnering rave reviews for his erotic scenes with Sunny Leone in Ragini MMS 2, co-star Sahil Prem is now set to shake his booty quite literally. No. Here we're not talking about his booty seduction with Sunny on bed. Rather, the buzz is directing towards a whole new story with Sahil's next film, titled Mad About Dance. Yes, moving totally ahead of his sexy side from Ragini MMS 2, Sahil will now shake his booty in his upcoming dance film that also marks to be his first directorial debut. Whoa, seems like we might have a sexy dancer on the sex floor. Oops, dance floor, never mind. Well, Sahil has confirmed the story with his utter excitement. But Janda, what do you think? After his oozing Sunny erotica, will Sahil really be able to pull off this art of dance? Do give your opinion in the comments section below, and for more updates, don't forget to subscribe Movies Adda.